Your intuition, baby, it is a blessing. So stop second guessing yourself. Remove the veil, inhale, exhale, to see right through the lies he tells.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. We just woke up looking a little crusty, a little rusty. I'm gonna go get some breakfast. A little discombobulated. Didn't really sleep that well last night, but it's whatever. So I will see you guys whenever we do whatever we do. Hey guys, so we're back at the hotel. For breakfast, Amaya got some fruit. She got strawberries and grapes. I got 2 pancakes, 2 pieces of bacon, and then 2 pieces of sausage. I didn't even finish it all. And then I had some apple juice. It was good. I didn't even film it. I'm sorry I didn't show y'all, but that is what I got. After we ate breakfast, we just ran around town for a little bit. Probably gonna end up going to the pool. They had some popcorn in the lobby since it's Labor Day, and Amaya loves popcorn so much. So she's just watching SpongeBob eating her popcorn. Is it yummy? Do you like that popcorn, Amaya? Hey guys, so we're back home. I did a horrible job vlogging yesterday. So sorry. I don't know. We were just so wore out. We left the hotel fairly early so we would be able to go home. Today, I actually ordered our groceries online for the first time at Walmart, and I'm super excited because I hate going to Walmart. I just don't like going to Walmart. I love going to Target, but I hate going to Walmart. But yeah, so I did that this morning. It'll be ready by like, they said between 3 and 4, they'll send me a notification. I need to clean out the car. Yeah, the car is, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, it's pretty bad. Oh, don't mind that. I'm also cleaning out the medicine cabinet. Did y'all see that? Let's go ahead and just go outside and start cleaning out this car. Okay guys, so I like to have Amaya toys whenever we're in the car, just so she has something to be occupied with. Instead of the toys just being all over the car, I found this bag. I'm gonna put all of her toys into that. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Okay guys, so we are done cleaning out the car. It is freaking hot. I don't even know how hot it is. I started my period this week and my face freaking hates me. It decided to break out and I've just been feeling real blah lately. So the fact that I even got out here in this heat and clean out this car, I'm proud of myself. So good job to me. And yeah, we're going to go to Angelo. We're probably gonna get the car washed. I hope we get the car washed. Yeah, so I will see you guys whenever I don't look sweaty anymore. Back in the car now. Today was the perfect day to do online grocery shopping because Amaya is not feeling good. Pretty sure she's sick again. About 2 weeks ago she had a cold. So I asked them for extra ketchup and they literally only gave 3. But luckily, I keep a shit ton of ketchup in my car at all times because I stay packing. That's a good mozzarella stick. Do you like it? Now we're eating. Walmart is literally right across the street. So we're gonna go pick up the groceries. They say that it's already ready for us. And yeah, so y'all are gonna see them put the groceries in the back. I'm excited. It's my first time, like I said, picking up these groceries. I'm pumped. As the sun fades out, I can see clearly, and time slows down. I just want you near me. My heart beats faster. You bring me to life. Okay, guys, so we're currently on our way home now. We got our groceries. Say hi, Maya. Hi, Maya. It's so beautiful. I'll see you guys when we get back to the house. Okay, guys, so we're back home and we already unloaded everything out of the car. I'm just gonna show you guys what I got as I'm putting it away. So let's go ahead and get started. So first I have this laundry detergent. Then I have this tilapia. Then I have pasta sauce. I got the garlic and herb. Next I have these Ritz crackers. Just a little snack for throughout the day. Amaya some apple juice, a 10-pound bag of chicken. Next I have chips. I got the Doritos and the sour cream and onion chips for our sandwiches. Got these for Amaya for breakfast. These are the blueberry pancakes. You just pop one in the microwave for like 35 seconds and boom. Then I got this goldfish, the big box this time because she loves these. 2 loaves of bread. This is the sandwich bread. Then I got these eggs. This is the 36 count. A watermelon because y'all already know that I love our watermelon. I have this peanut butter. This is just the creamy Jif peanut butter. Got jasmine rice. So whenever we do fish or chicken and broccoli for supper, we like to do rice with it. So jasmine rice is our favorite. White rice is just so bland and it's just not that good. Then I got some grapes and some strawberries. These are like... Then I have this lunch meat. I always get the oven roasted turkey breast. These Belvita snacks. These are so good. These are also for weight loss. 18 grams of whole grain. And they give you 4 hours of nutritious, steady energy. Then I got this Texas toast. This is the raw garlic. Anytime I make spaghetti, I always use this. I have these Giovanni yogurts. This is the mixed berry ones. Then I have this 5-pound bag of hamburger meat. Then I got these 100% all natural ingredients. The fun chicken nuggets. And then I got broccoli florets. I also got a case of water that's right over there. But that is it for this video, guys. I'm sorry I didn't vlog more whenever we were in Dallas. Hopefully this made up for it. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.